Hi there, welcome back to English with Prashant. In this video, we shall be talking about to have. It is one of the most confusing verbs where people make a lot of mistakes in sentences. So let's get into it. The verb have can be used in a number of ways. It can be used as a helping verb and it can be used as a main verb too in sentences. If the verb have is being used as a helping verb, it will require a main verb after have. Look at these sentences on screen. All the sentences simply mean that the action has been completed. I have written the application. He has worked in an organization. They have postponed the meeting. Have written, has worked, and have postponed mean that the actions are finished. And as a main verb, have indicates ideas such as possession of objects. I have a smartphone. Mr. Kumar has 2 cars. You have a nice bag. And it indicates relationships as he has 2 kids. I have a sister and she has 3 brothers. And it indicates personal characteristics as the baby has blue eyes, or she has long hair, and you have a beautiful smile. And this is how you use have as a main verb. Keep in mind, the word have is used with plural subjects or with pronoun I, you, they, we. Has is used with singular subjects or the pronouns he, she, it. Let's now talk about negative and interrogative sentences where a lot of students make errors. Firstly, we need to know that the sentences on screen are in present simple. To frame negative sentences, you have to use do not and does not with your subject. Make sure you do not use has with does. As in this example, she does not has long hair. Okay, tell me one thing, is this a correct statement on screen? She does not goes. Absolutely, this is a wrong sentence because you are using s with your 2 verbs. Likewise, in the first sentence, you are using s with 2 verbs too. One s with do and another with have. Yes, have plus s becomes has. So make sure you do not use has with does. So the correct sentence is she does not have long hair, not has long hair. For interrogatives, we bring our first helping verb outside. It means you shall start your sentences with do and does. Do I have a bag? Do you have a pen? Do I have a chair? Do we have some water? Does he have good communication skills? Does she have long hair? Let's now talk about had. Had is the second and third form of verb have, and you use had when you talk about the things you owned, you held in past but now you don't. And you use had with both singular and plural subjects. I had a smartphone, Mr. Kumar had long beard, my friend had a nice job, and she had a diamond, he had a doubt. Error occurs while framing negative and interrogative sentences. The correct pattern or the correct structure of negative sentences is did not have. So the sentences will be framed as I did not have a smartphone, Mr. Kumar did not have long beard, my friend did not have a nice job. Students mistakenly write I did not had a smartphone because they think it's past and they have to use had however it is possible. And if you have any confusion, do write in the comments down below. You'll get instant replies there. And please like the video because that is the only way how you can support us.